Ever wanted to generate leads without lifting a finger? Well, you're in luck because today, I will show you how to build a no-code lead generation chatbot using ChatBot. ChatBot is an all-in-one platform that lets you design, create, and deploy chatbots without writing a single line of code. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's dive in and see how easy it really is. First, head over to the ChatBot website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Trust me, even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find this super user-friendly. Start by designing your conversation scenarios. These are essentially the dialogues your bot will have with your prospects. Click on Create New Scenario and name it something relevant, like lead generation chat. Using the drag-and-drop feature, you can map out the entire conversation flow. For example, start with a greeting message, then ask for the user's name, email, and any other details you need. Don't forget to include some engaging questions to keep the conversation going. Next, let's add some intelligence to our bot. ChatBot offers advanced features like natural language processing and machine learning. This means your bot can understand and respond to user inputs more naturally. Simply click on the NLP tab and set up entities and intents. Entities are the pieces of information you want to capture, like names and emails. Intents are the goals or actions the user wants to accomplish. Now, let's talk about integrations. ChatBot seamlessly connects to various communication channels, including Facebook Messenger. Imagine your chatbot engaging with prospects right from your Facebook page. Head over to the Integrations tab and connect your preferred channel. Follow the prompts, and your bot will be live in no time. Now, sit back and watch as your new chatbot engages more prospects and collects valuable customer details, turning your website traffic into growing revenue. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Hit the link below to sign up for your free ChatBot account and explore all the amazing features. Unleash the potential of ChatBot and open up a new lead generation channel.